Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another video tour. This one of the all-new SS Agile from Roadtrek. They've been putting out a lot of these lately, so it's time to finally jump into one on film. So we have the new Mercedes chassis on board, which looks absolutely stunning. As you can tell, Roadtrek kind of takes great pains for everything to look very streamlined, very sleek. There's nothing that really gives this away as a motorhome at all. Walking around the whole thing, you would really have to be an expert in Class B motorhomes to even realize that this is one. So that's going to give you a lot of stealth capabilities. You combine that with the 400 amp hours of lithium-ion batteries that are on board, the 300 watts of solar, and you're going to have a complete stealth machine here, so you can really run it anywhere, anytime, without needing to plug in. So that's going to be your biggest asset here with your SS Agile. And we have a power awning on the top there. Just kind of take a walk around. This one does have the power door on the Mercedes end of things. We have the two rear doors. We can tow 5,000 pounds with the Mercedes chassis. Always a nice touch. There'll be screens for the side and the back, and there will be some storage back here as well. And there are 3 seat belts in the back, so you can carry up to 5 passengers. It has the Girard instant tankless water heater. You have a little outside shower there. That's going to be your venting for your furnace. So yeah, beautiful Mercedes rims. Those are great. LED headlamps, really going to be nice. And those actually adjust to the way you drive. If you turn the wheel, the headlamps will kind of move with you, which is a really cool feature. It has a 360-degree parking radar as well, which is really a cool touch. We also have a power sliding door down here, so when you open the door, this comes out, give you easier access. And again, there is a screen here, nice big grab handle. Coming in, we have beautiful granite countertops here. So this is going to be a recessed sink and 2-burner stove. I like the Roadtrek embroidery there. Just kind of, little touches like that make it feel a lot more luxurious. But it feels really, really open in here. There's a lot of glass all around you. Compared to like the Pleasureway Ascent, they've moved the bathroom over to this side. So the rest of it feels pretty open, especially when you're behind the driver's seat here. You can use that rear view mirror and you can see all the way to the rear, no problem. So that's a cool touch. And we do have the compressor-based refrigerator down below, so it doesn't need to be perfectly level or anything like that for that to work. It doesn't need to run on propane. Uses about 40 or 50 watts of electricity, so balance that with your 300 watts of solar and you're gonna have no problem there. So moving backward here, we'll have a nice shower and bathroom set up here. There's gonna be a little frosted window, and then there is a power fan in there as well, which is a nice touch. Waterproofed light and nice mirror, vanity mirror. And we have a really comfortable power sofa back here. It's really quite cushy, and a really long bed. So if you're 6'1" like me, I can actually sleep from front to back on the Agile's bed, where some other Class Bs that have this, or on this Mercedes chassis, I definitely can't. So that's another big plus. You're going to have that length. So let's see, we have a nice 24-inch LED TV. We have a nice Blu-ray player attached to it. And we do have a great TV antenna built in with a signal booster, so you're going to get great reception wherever you're at. And we will have screens on all the windows as well as blinds to give you complete privacy. But again, a lot of great windows throughout here. Really feels nice and open. And again, it's on that Mercedes chassis, so you're going to have all the luxury features. This one has the power seats, the power heated seats. And you have adaptive cruise control. You're going to have let's see, active lane keeping assist that'll physically keep you in the lanes. So it's going to do most of the driving for you when you're on the highway, which is a big plus. It has blind spot assist, pre-collision warnings. You have Apple and Android CarPlay, great satellite navigation. So it is loaded to the gills. And then it has what I like, Roadtrek's really nice setup here for they've got their own custom seating. So it really does go with the rest of the coach quite nicely. And again, this one has 400 amps of lithium-ion power, so you can run your air for, I mean, at least overnight, no problem. And then it gets recharged with the in-engine generator, which basically means whenever you're driving or idling the engine, that's recharging the batteries very quickly. And then you also have that 300 watts of solar, which is always constantly recharging it. So again, my name is Josh. If you're interested, please feel free to give me a call at 414-281-6330. We are taking orders on these SS Agiles at this time. For current availability, please check out our website at advancedcamping.com, or feel free to give me a call. Yeah, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you and have a great day.